Hey.
Good day, sir.
Sharon, how are you? Sit down, sit down. How's work? Huh?
Well, work has been held without you. Amaka and I have been planning to come see you, but we've been held down with tight schedule.
Yeah, it's okay, I understand, and I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Oh.
So, what are you going to do about this? It's been 6 months already. Are you going to sit and watch them get away with all they did to you?
What would you have me do, Sharon?
Sir, you are the life of the company, the most hardworking member of the staff. I wouldn't want all your hard work to go down the drain just by baseless accusation. So I need you to fight back.
No, I won't fight back, Sharon. I will not fight back. Man, why fight back when you're not what they say you are? Why struggle to save face when you're not who they say that you are? Why fight frivolities? I'm not going to fight back, no.
Well, if you're not ready to fight back, we're ready to fight for you. You're a good man and everyone knows this.
Okay, so what do you want to do, Sharon?
Just leave that to me.
I hope I don't have to testify against you in court.
Let's just hope it doesn't get to that, okay?
Okay. Okay. Let me get you something to drink. Huh?
Yes,
okay.
Please.
Cannot continue to feed a lazy man who has refused to do anything meaningful with his life, and his sister who is just lazing about in the house doing nothing.
What is the meaning of this, Crystal? What is the meaning of what have you done that I've not done 10 times before for us?
I get on before no be property. I am talking about now. What are you doing at the moment? What are you doing? No job, you're not doing anything. Just stay here eating food with your lazy and insolent sister.
What are you talking about? The fact that I don't have a job in the interim, it does not mean that I'm not going to get one.
In the interim, indeed. It's been 5 months. 5 good months, Phil. You've not been doing anything. And your sister too, nothing. 2 adults have just feeding 2 mouths like that. Insolent sister.
Leave Kimberly out of this.
Why? Why should I? Is she not an adult? She should go and get a job. Okay? She can work and school at the same time.
Stop.
People her age, they do it.
Stop this nonsense. Kimberly's just 15 years old.
And so what? You're the one spoiling her.
What are you talking about? Man.
She can walk. If it's time to eat now, she will eat like an adult. But time to work, she can't walk. That won't work in this house, so the both of you have to get a job. Is it not you or her? Or the both of you? Did I introduce myself to you as a daughter's daughter or what? Just be feeding 2 mouths. Phil, where are you? Please, calm down, please. There's no way you can drive out this car, please. Phil!
Babe, what's all this now? Leave the road now. What's
There's no way you're going to drive this car out of this comfort. Do you know how much it costs me to buy fuel inside this car? Please, there's no way you're driving this car out of this place. The only reason you have to drive this car out of this place is when you are going out for something very important.
Okay, I don't like what you're doing. Crystal, leave the road. Let me pass now.
I am not going anywhere, okay? I bought for in this car. The only time this car can be driven out of this compound is when somebody is going for something very important.
I'm not going to ask you again. If you don't leave this, I'm going to run you over.
Okay, please run me over, please.
What kind of frustration is this now?
No, go ahead and run me over.
What kind of frustration is this now?
Go ahead and run me over, Phil, please. I want to be run over by you. Run me over. Phil, I thought you said you wanted to run me over before. What is all this kid?
His only crime here is the fact that he is a good man. Not only did he work for himself, but for the benefit of the company.
So why would your boss lay an allegation on him?
The company wasn't his originally. He only took over the company after his brother died. And we all know that he has always been threatened by Phil's drive and competence. His brother always talked about making Phil the CEO after him, but that was a failed success after he died.
So what are his reasons?
It is obvious. Very simple. He is a very selfish and greedy being.
The problem I have is that Mr. Phil does not even see the need to fight for his rights in the court.
That is why I have you here, brother. I need you to please help him.
I cannot help someone who doesn't need help. First, it's a prerequisite that Phil has to recognize the fact that he has to bring me in to fight for his rights in court. That's the only way I can help him.
Well, Phil is too civil to want to take the matter to court.
Then you have to tell him that it's twice as civil as fighting for his rights in the court.
So, what are we going to do about it?
I cannot do anything.
Come on, please.
I cannot do anything.
What is it? I want to talk to you. You want to talk to me?
Yes, if you don't mind.
Of course I mind. What were the arrogant and insolent Kimberly be talking to me about?
You are the one who is arrogant and insolent.
Yes! The way you talk to my brother is not nice. You make him feel less of a person because he lost his job? Are you mad?
Don't you dare. Don't you ever.
And if I do, you want to fight me? No, Kimberly, you want to fight me.
I'm not here to fight with you or cause trouble.
I'm just here to tell you that the way and manner you talk to my brother is so unbecoming of a submissive housewife. So what do you want me to learn from you? What? How to be insolent and arrogant to my own husband when I grow up?
Kimberly, you better leave my sight before I break you into pieces.
Treat my brother with respect, else you will leave me with no other choice than to disrespect you too.
This kid, are you mad?
This rat just won.
Brother, before you say anything, please.
I was just trying to defend you. I know you told me not to talk back at her, but that instruction was just her to obey.
I asked you not to utter a word of disrespect to my wife. What is wrong with you?
Why are you trying to turn the tables
What
now?
stupid table?
Brother, you yourself, you know the person with whom something is wrong with here.
Is something wrong with you? What point were you trying to make talking back at my wife?
That I love my brother, and I'm not going to stand anyone disrespecting him, not even his wife.
Emily, listen to me. The next time you try that nonsense, I'll do something to you that you will not forget for the rest of your life.
But I didn't do it.
Shut up!
Oh, come on, babe. It's just 3 days we haven't seen. Come on. I know you miss me and I miss you too, okay? All right, sugar. I'll see you soon. Bye.
What? Please, what? Crystal, what is going on? Why are you cheating on you? Please. Look, I know I am not a saint, but you really need to stop. What if he finds out?
And who cares if he finds out?
Hey, this is your husband we are talking about here. Show some respect, please.
And please don't question me, I beg.
Really?
Yes. And you're talking about this husband, a husband who doesn't have a job, who doesn't have money. I'm the one providing for everything, and all he does is laze around. I beg, please.
So you are going after another man because of money? Is that it?
I'm going. In fact, can you just leave me alone? Let me be, because I mean, this is where we're supposed to get it all.
Okay, come sit down. I have a lot of gifts for you. Yeah.
So what is this I hear about you being disrespectful towards Krista?
Is that what she told you?
Are you being disrespectful to her or not?
No, I'm not. Auntie Maureen, you should know me by now.
Of course I know you. And I know you can be a lot sometimes.
I don't think Auntie Crystal treats my brother well. She speaks to him anyhow she wants, at any time. I don't like it.
So, this is you standing up to her for your brother.
Really? I just keep wondering why my brother and his wife cannot live in peace, just like every other couple.
You know what?
What?
Firstly, you are going to allow your brother and his wife to settle whatever differences they're having in your marriage as husband and wife. And secondly, you are going to start respecting Krista as a sister-in-law.
Well, that's if she respects my brother.
No, if.
Try my best.
Don't try, just do it. So guess what? I got you.
Serious?
I got you jeans. I got you.
Where are they? Where are they?
Sir, all my brother wants is for you to give your consent and be ready to show up while he takes care of everything else.
Sharon, I appreciate you trying to seek justice for me through your brother, but I'm just not interested in taking anybody's support right now.
Sir, that company is still standing because you were the shoulder arm that kept it going. Why other businesses were going bankrupt at that time?
Well, we do what we can, you know.
Sir, just...
Sharon, look, listen. If I wanted to go to court, I would have done that a long time ago. It's just not my thing. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Your husband was wrongly accused. My boss did that, so Phil wouldn't have his entitlements. Phil has to go to court.
Can I ask you a question?
Please.
How does all of this concern me?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? I overheard your conversation. Clearly,
Phil doesn't want to do anything about his broke state. Like, I don't get it. Someone was wrongly accused. His entitlement forfeited. And he doesn't want to do anything about it. And you want me to do what? Talk to him about it?
If that's what it will take, then you do it.
And I am not going to do that. You and I know that Phil is a smart person. His intelligence is exposed. So what are we going to tell him that he doesn't already know?
So, why doesn't he want to go to court?
Well, I don't know. I clearly don't know. Except he's not as innocent as we think he is.
Are you implying
I am
that
not implying anything. I just want us to reason things clearly. He's wrongly accused, doesn't want to do anything. What do you think? Can you just think about it? What are you doing?
What does it look like I'm going to do?
Are you going to have your bath?
What's that supposed to be?
Just hold on a second, please.
Babe.
Okay. You can go in now.
Wait, what's all this now?
What do you mean was all what? Maybe you don't know. That you don't work, you don't do anything in this house, so you're not entitled to use anything that I buy in this house. Because I don't get it. You see this soap? I'm the one that bought it. It's my money. This and even this. See, toothpaste. No more toothpaste, you can't even afford it. And you want me to what? To continue to work like a slave for you so that you can just what? Breeze into the bathroom and use every of my beans. You have refused to work. Even your entitlement, try and fight for it so you can get it back. No! You are enjoying this poverty. And then what? You want me to be suffering, providing the money, buying everything, then you will not be betting yourself for free. You'll be fresh. And with what? A woman's money.
What am I supposed to use to have my bath?
With the freshness you have inside you, can last for 6 months without soap. Just go in and have your bath.
Crystal, you know I respect you and I appreciate everything you've been doing for my brother since he lost his job.
Can you cut to the chase already?
The point is, I don't think you're being fair to him. I mean, your actions towards him are not fair.
Are you okay? Now you listen to me. The next time you talk to me about Phil, I will make sure I send you back to the village where you belong.
Is that why he can no longer have a bath in peace in this house? His own house?
Wait. Are you speaking to me?
Look, I overheard everything. And I don't think what you did was right.
I'm not in the best form of mind right now. So I want you to leave here so I don't slap you. Leave! Get out!
Yeah, I'll do it.
Can you imagine? Children of nowadays don't even have respect. They just can't break our home. patient. This is not finished. I just started.
Hey, what's going on?
It's nothing that you can handle.
Can you at least give me a straight answer without acting cynical?
Okay, fine. Look around you. Does it look like my food is still cooking?
Gas is still out.
Yes, it is. This whole thing is frustrating. And I just started cooking. What now? Then I'll prepare myself or not to cook at all. What am I going to do now? So annoying. And I'm hungry. What's wrong with you?
This food, I cooked it for only my brother and I. Only.
Are you mad?
What did you try to do?
Is something wrong with you? Are you crazy?
Hey, what's going on?
Can you imagine?
What's happening here?
Can you imagine this riffraff?
Brother, since she won't let you eat the food that she cooked, and she won't let you have a bath with her soap, she will eat this food that I cooked for the both of us.
Can you imagine?
Kimberly, go to your room.
Brother,
I said go to your room.
Who would I give her my
Give
food
me
that
that. See, I don't want to ever see this sort of nonsense again. Go to your room, my friend.
Can you imagine this grasshopper challenging me in my own husband's house?
Sorry.
My matrimony of this riffraff, because she's your sister.
I'm sorry.
Shut up.
It's alright. Just... I'm sorry, I know I ate.
No, it's fine. I'm not eating again.
Fine, is it because of what happened?
I don't want to eat.
Babe, come on.
Brother, I have a confession to make.
What confession?
The gas, it's not really finished.
What do you mean?
It was me.
What do you mean it was you?
I turned it off from the gas cylinder.
Why would you do that? When my wife was preparing a meal, why?
A meal that she'll eat alone and starve you. No.
Kimberly, listen, whatever is going on between Crystal and I, don't make that your business. We'll sort ourselves out.
When? Rather than getting better, it gets worse by
Stop
the time.
challenging my wife. Because believe me, if she asked me to send you back to the village because of your insolence and your arrogance, trust me, I will.
You will?
Without batting an eyelid, I will.
What's going on? You've been wearing a long face since I picked you up.
Keep my face out of your business.
What's going on? Why such tone? What's wrong? Talk to me.
As what, huh? Husband and wife or what?
Okay, can you please don't do this? Please. Don't do this. Talk to me. What's going on? I really want to know.
You want us to talk about this, right?
Yes.
Pull the car over.
Jay.
Pull the fucking car over.
What's your tone? Can you please stop? Talk to me. Okay. What is it? What is it? Just talk to me. What is the problem?
Babe, I begged you. I literally begged you.
Begged me for what? What are you talking about?
The other day we spoke. You said we were gonna see the next day. It's almost a week now. And you failed to keep to your promise.
Oh, please stop. Don't say that.
What am I supposed to say? Hmm? Okay. My mom's health is deteriorating by each passing day.
Oh, sorry about that. But isn't that why I gave you the 1 million naira for a hospital bill?
Babe, how much is 1 million naira compared to 5 million naira for the surgery?
Is it that bad?
Babe, it is worse than bad. You're not getting it.
Okay, fine. Fine. Cheer up, okay? I'm going to give you the money.
For real?
Yeah. So can you smile for mommy?
Sure.
You're welcome.
That's what I think.
Let's try something new, nice and private.
Okay.
Fine, welcome. Good afternoon.
How are you?
Very, very well. Please have a seat.
Thank you. Is my boss in?
Yeah, he's upstairs. Let me call.
Okay, thank you. Hi, boss.
How are you? How you doing? No, sit. Thank you.
I'm fine. Meet my brother, Barrister Elvis. Brother, meet my boss.
Thank you.
So I brought him here so you two could have a word together.
Oh, what regarding what?
About the...
Sharon, I told you before, you're being so pushy. That's the same way Amaka was here the other day telling me the same thing. I told her I don't want to have anything to do with this.
She's told me about it. She spoke right about the money. She's been a bit too pushy about the whole thing, but I think we should talk about it. Mr. Phil, see, all you have to do is to give me all the fact that you have so I can walk through it. And the only thing I'll require for you is to show up in court whenever you need it. Then you just leave the rest for me.
Sorry, Barrister Elvis. Barrister Elvis. I appreciate you and Sharon trying to help me like this, but listen, I have my personal reasons.
Mr. Phil, what are these personal reasons, if I may ask?
That's why they're personal to me. They're like my reasons. I really don't want to talk about it. Please.
Well, I think we're done here then, because we can't obviously force you to do more.
Boss, don't you think we should?
Yeah.
Babe. Yes. Who were those people? That's Sharon, Phil's assistant. Assistant. So what are they doing here? I don't know. Well, from the little I gathered, the other guy is a guy from the courts who Sharon is using to help Phil get justice. But apparently, he's refusing. What? He's refusing? Yeah. Maybe he enjoys being broke. Yes, because there's no other thing to explain the reason for his foolishness. Sister. Yes. Please, I beg. I don't have time for that. That's your husband. Let's go. I'll drive off and leave you.
dear, beg, let's go. I don't have time for rubbish.
What are you doing in the kitchen at past 10 p.m.?
If I'm not mistaken, that's exactly the same time you're coming back to your matrimonial home.
Lady, don't talk back at me. Okay? And why did you choose at this time of the night to cook?
The food is not for me.
I see. Then who is it for?
Well, my brother asked me to cook for him to eat because he's hungry.
Okay. Family business. When you're done, don't forget to turn off the gas. You are the person we're supposed to be asking that. What is wrong with you? You have lost your job for over what? 6 months now. Instead of you to get another job or fight for your entitlement, you're doing nothing, just sitting in this house, broke, penniless, and frustrated. Who do you think all that is weighing down on? Me!
You waltz out of the house and then you waltz back in. I'm not expecting your husband to have the same reckless way you choose to live your life.
However I choose to do my business is none of your business. And the earlier you stay out of my business, the better for everyone.
Brother, if you can hear me, I'm done preparing the food you asked for, and it's actually getting cold. So please come downstairs. Brother? Brother, sometimes I can't just help but wonder what really happened to you and your wife.
Crystal and I are fine. We just have some rough times. It happens in every marriage.
Every marriage, you say? Okay, those marriages you're talking about, do they have rough times that linger for a long time?
Every marriage is different, Kim. When you're older, you'll understand.
Well, I'm not going to be having lingering issues with my future husband.
You'll be a submissive and obedient wife to your husband. Never place yourself above him. And no matter what he's going through in life, never look down on him or use that as an excuse to explore other options.
What do you mean by explore other options?
Like I said, when you're older, you'll understand.
You should be proud of the woman I'll become if I someday turn out to be like your wife.
exactly do you think you're doing?
As you can see, I'm getting dressed for work.
Has it ever occurred to you that Kimberly might be watching and wanting to be like my own younger sister, trying to model her life after you? Is this what she's going to learn? Your nasty attitude, your arrogance?
I'm going to have a hectic and a neck-breaking day at work today, so I do not need all of this energy.
Even after everything, you're still very unremorseful, very proud, very arrogant.
So in your script, I was going to what? Go down on my knees and cry. Oh, please, I can't breathe. I can't live, right? Newsflash, I am very good. Okay? And if you can't say something nice to me, better don't say anything at all. Have a great day.
Oh, Mariska! It's so good to see you. Okay, I know you don't remember me, right? But I do remember you.
Really?
Yes.
Crave my indulgence, please.
Of course. Maury. Krista's best friend. Yes.
Oh, Phil Swap's friend.
Exactly.
I'm so sorry.
It's fine. I forgive you.
I'm sorry.
I forgive you. It's
Where you
fine.
headed?
I'm just heading down the road. I want to get something.
Okay.
Yes.
I can drop you off then.
It's okay. I can
Come
walk.
on, I insist, please. Let me drop you off.
It's fine. You
Oh.
win.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, I'll just pull over.
So, Barrister, my friend tells me that her husband has been declining the help he used to give him.
Yeah. You know, Phil is such a man that I haven't seen the kind of person I must say he's a real kind of person because he seems to be so content with the whole situation.
That is why you have a lawyer. You should make him see reasons why you should take this case to court. I mean, this guy has been working his ass out for that company for decades. Long before he even got married to Krista. All this cannot just go down the drain, Barrister. It can't.
You seem to know a lot about this family.
What are you talking about? Of course I do. I and Krista, we've been friends since our university days. Yeah.
Well, I was told they've been married for quite some time now.
Yeah, they have. Quite a while. They have.
Not kids. They don't have children.
Well, it's the family secret. I had a child, a girl, but lost her to leukemia. That's so painful.
That's really bad.
Yeah.
Well, enough of your friends. Focus.
So what have we been doing before now? We've been talking about us.
Now we're talking about your friend autistic. let's get to know each other. I like to know where you stay.
Mm-hmm.
I like to know your free times.
Oh my god. Okay, that's fine. You just want us to be friends, right? Like friends.
We can start from there. See how it goes. You maybe feel very attracted to you. I like what you try.
Just to try.
Right.
If you say so,
Drop me your home to me.
You really want to know my house?
Yeah, I want to.
Okay, it's fine. Let's ride. Well, you're cute anyway.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Beautiful.
Barrister. Yeah. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You'll be good.
So I should be on my way now. Yeah, thank you.
I'm so sorry. I hope you're not hurt.
You hope I am not hurt. Wait, is this how you go about driving carelessly and running people over? Is this it?
Don't say that. It wasn't intentional. I mean, you were not even being vigilant at the first place.
You want to turn the table on me now? Excuse me?
Well, we don't need to make a fuss out of anything, you know?
You are already making a fuss out of everything by not admitting that you're careless driving. What's that?
I apologize. I'm sorry.
Apology not accepted.
Hey, come on, I'm sorry. My name is Jenny. You're keeping a gentleman's hand. I said I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Are you going away? Can I drop you?
So you can run us over.
Come on. Please. So, I hope my sins are forgiven now.
So, when next someone see you?
Whenever you want, it's fine.
Okay, so how about tomorrow?
Yeah, sure, that would be great.
Are you sure?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. Thank you for this.
It's nothing.
So, you called me, right? Bye. Alright, sweet. I'll see you later today, okay? I promise. Stop. Yeah, I love you. It's enough. Okay, I have to go now. Yeah, bye. Love you.
Finally, someone is in love.
Well,
You know, sometimes given a chance doesn't hurt you.
Make it sound as if someone was never going to come and sweep you off your feet.
Okay, so you do you. And let's get it clear. Nobody, absolutely nobody sweeps me off my feet. Okay?
I don't understand. Then who is the guy? Who's that guy now?
You know already. It's just for the moment. And plus this guy is so sweet. You know, like he is soft and succulent. Just
oh my
the way
God.
I love them. I can hold back.
Thank God I have a man, though. Otherwise, I would have been jealous right now.
Excuse me. Speaking of the devil, my baby.
Hey, baby. I'm fine. It's just that I miss you. Are you serious? Oh dear, so sorry. Okay, please just let me know in case you need anything, okay? Alright, talk to you later. I miss you too. Alright.
Wait, Chris, you mean you pick a stall in your home? What if Kimberly or Phil hears you? Oh well,
Whatever.
I am not surprised. That's why you don't wear your wedding rings.
Hey, I beg.
You know what you're doing isn't right. You need to stop it.
What is that? You too. What you're doing, is it right?
At least I am not the one that is married and still sleeping with someone else outside.
Are you not sleeping with someone else outside?
With my boyfriend, baby girl. What are you talking about?
What I'm talking about is that you see, I say, well, what sin is?
Kristen.
What? I beg. Remove the stone in your eye first before thinking of the sand in my own eyes. What were your God words? See, please, can we just go back to our gist? Or did you come here to scold me like my school teacher?
I don't know.
Emily, what's the matter?
Brother, everything is the matter. Lately, it's been a crossfire between you and your wife.
Everything will be fine.
Everything will be fine. That's what you always say. Everything will be fine. Look, I'm not a kid anymore. I know when things are fine and when they aren't. Please, talk to me. You used to talk to me when I was much younger.
You're still very young. Anyway, listen. My wife and I are just having misunderstandings, okay? We'll iron things out. There's really nothing, there's no need for you to involve yourself in this. Okay?
My brother's marriage is gradually falling apart. I'm just being concerned.
Everything will be all right. Everything will be all right.
With her. What is this fuss about?
What do you mean, what is this fuss about? I'm your girlfriend. I haven't heard from you in days. Do you expect me to be cool about it?
What are you talking about, huh? You've got a husband. Hello?
Oh.
I'm supposed to be the side guy.
So this is what this is all about, right?
Listen, babe. I didn't mean to come off that way. It's just that my mom's situation is frying me up. I need some more money to sort out the heaping hospital bills.
Then you should have talked to me about it.
Babe, be reminded that you gave me some money just a while ago.
It doesn't matter. I'm your girlfriend. And I care a lot. You know?
I know you do, but this is family issue. My family issue.
Come on, stop it. I'm your girlfriend. I'm like family to you too. Okay? So you can talk to me about anything and everything. I am part of your life now.
This is so sweet of you. Thank you.
You're welcome. You know how to get me right. Last summer, maybe July.
Auntie Crystal.
What is it?
First of all, I'm sorry. Sorry if I've been a lot lately. It's just that since I came to this house, I've not really seen you and my brother enjoy quality time together. I'm bothered about it. I remember when both of you used to visit the village. It was so beautiful. What is going on now?
Well, I don't have an answer to that question.
Please, Auntie Crystal, please, can you two just settle every problem that you're having? I don't know what it is, but please. Please.
Well, I am not the problem here. Your brother is the problem. He lost his job and he's not bothered about it.
Look, he was wrongly accused. He was, and they took everything from him, all his entitlements. They took everything away from him. He's pained and devastated. Please. My brother spent almost all his life building on that company. You need to understand that it's not easy to start from the scratch again.
And this was when? This has been over 6 months plus now. And he's still dwelling in that? Dwelling in the whole lost entitlement thing?
Please. Auntie, maybe you can help him. You can help him wrap his head around something he can do for now.
How? Tell me, how?
Well,
it's like you don't know your brother. He is self-made. He doesn't listen to advice. He doesn't even take it at all. So please just let me be.
Perhaps I have an idea on how we can start all over again.
And what is that?
We could just become family again. We could, come together as family, enjoy family time. Together again, please.
Well, he's your brother. You will always take his side.
No.
Yes.
I'm not taking his side. I just want to feel that sense of family togetherness in this house again. Auntie Crystal. Auntie Crystal.
Please just let me be. I was actually in the middle of something. Okay?
Auntie Crystal?
Yes?
Why are you taking pictures of them? Do you know them?
No, I don't.
Why are you taking pictures of random people on the street?
Because I just want to take pictures. In fact, I'm taking pictures of the sunset.
The sunset?
Yes, you asked too many questions.
Let's go.
Rather than things to get better, things to get worse.
She's still pressing on your inability to get a job.
I don't think that's the point. The issue now is about the cancer.
But I told you, my doctor friend will tell you what to do.
Yes, he did, and I did what he said. But this isn't about me, it's about Crystal.
What about her?
Apart from the fact that I suspect she's seen somebody, I think she wants to say something to me.
I think she must have stumbled on it.
Yeah, I think so too.
Well, there's only one way to find out.
Yeah, I guess.
Baby, how are you? What's up? So, what are you doing? I know you're thinking about me. Okay, let's say 5 p.m. Yeah, 5 p.m. You know, let me. Hey!
Hi, baby. So cool. I'm good. So, babe, I keep wondering, like,
Okay.
you have never said anything about your family to me, like your mother, your brothers, your sisters, you know? You've never said anything.
That's because I don't have one.
Baby, you don't have a family?
Yeah, I was raised in an orphanage.
Are you being serious right now?
Yeah, for real. I never had anyone to call family. I mean, I never had any family. Save that you're my only family right now.
Oh my god, that's so nice. Thank you, baby.
I love you, babe.
I love you more. Stop.
Brother, do you have 1 minute, please?
I'm very busy right now, Kim.
Did you get a job?
No,
So what are you doing?
sorting out some very important papers.
Oh, okay. Well, what I want to ask you is also very important. Are you hiding anything from your wife and I?
I don't have time for this now, Kim.
Brother, do you realize that you're the cause of some of the things that has been happening in this house?
Stop. Don't annoy me.
Just accept the truth. Okay, your wife told me. She told me that there is something important that you're hiding from us. That she only got to know by chance. And maybe, just maybe, that's why she's been so uptight and uncouth at you.
Okay, what is this thing that she says she found out?
I don't know. She didn't tell me. That's why I came to you to ask you.
I'll go back to her.
And do what?
Ask her.
Brother, are you enjoying this hostile and restive atmosphere going on in this house? This place is not peaceful. And you're raising me here. Brother, at least.
Just... Just dragging my younger sister into this. There has to be a way I should balance things.
Phil, don't let anything push you into letting it out. We have to keep observing the process to see how it goes.
What else is there to observe? What else is there to see? This is getting creepier than I envisaged.
Relax, Phil. Relax. You know it's never going to be smooth and fluid.
You know what? Maybe you should just focus on court cases and stop giving me advice on how to run my family. As a matter of fact, whatever I suspected about her doesn't count anymore. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah.
For real?
No, it's fine. Seriously. It's fine. It's
For
fine.
real?
No, it's fine. It's fine.
He's the boy.
Babe,
Don't even dare, okay?
what did you do that for?
Now listen to me, little boy. We are not equal on all standards, and will never be.
And so freaking what? What does that even mean?
Hey, you will not disrespect me. You will not even try it at all to disrespect me. My marriage is going downtown because of you, and you think you can what? Disrespect me? Or do anyhow as you like? Don't even think of it, because I am going to mess you up in this Lagos.
What are you talking about? What's with all these accusations?
Whatever. Did you get the money I sent you?
Is that why you're being all hostile at me?
Because you want to play the pretend game. Here.
Oh, I see. Oh, this is what you do now. What's with this crap? Oh, you go about now stalking me. Is that how jobless you are? Now listen and listen good. If you think giving me money is making you an empress over me, you need to rethink.
Get out of my car. Get out! Can you imagine this little boy? Auntie Crystal. Auntie, are you okay? You don't look too good. I'm good. Maybe because I'm tired. I'm really tired.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
By the way, Auntie Maureen was here earlier. She was here for about 3 hours.
Oh. Alright, I must have lost track of time.
Yeah.
Did she drop any message for me?
Oh yeah, she said I should tell you to call her when you get back.
Okay, I'll do that. I'll be in my room.
Yeah, you really want the rest.
Yeah, I do.
Brother, how are you?
Did she tell you what the problem is?
She said she's tired. Is there any problem?
Indeed. Indeed.
What do you mean by indeed? Brother. Brother. What is going on?
Sky. Hello? Are you out of your mind? Why will you be calling me by this time? Do you want to get me into trouble with my husband?
I'm waiting by your gate.
You're outside what?
Come on. I'm not messing around. I'm right here by your gate.
You're waiting for me? Are you out of your mind?
To see my woman, of course.
All right, fine. Something is wrong with you, honestly.
Brother,
Huh?
good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Where are you going?
Auntie Krista said
Go back and see your room.
Well, she's actually...
She what? My friend, will you go back and see your room? All you do these days is abandon your studies and run errands for Crystal.
Wait, brother. Is this anchor just about abandoning my studies? Well, because Auntie Crystal and I are now in good terms.
I mean, apart from the fact that you're clearly trying to buy her love, you're obviously distracting her from her studies.
I don't understand. What is it? First, you complained about me being hostile towards her. Now I'm being kind and caring, you are still complaining. What do you really want from me? Oh, wait. Do we all have to join in your sadist parade for us to please you?
Whatever it is you want to do, just do. But don't sway her from her studies. That's why she's here. Excuse me.
So you waited for me to come so that you can just spew things out of your mouth and just walk away like that? You see my problem? These men, they'll be the ones to trigger the women. When the women start talking now, they'll move and be making the women look like they are the problematic ones. We're having a decent conversation here. I didn't even say anything to him. Oh. What's all this now?
What are you doing?
I'm just trying to study.
Okay, let's see. And what would you be doing after that?
I guess study again.
Studying again?
Yeah.
Wait, what did he do to you? You've been on those books for 8 hours now. Are you trying to lose your mind?
No, my brother told me to read plenty so that I can catch up with my international contemporaries.
And lose your mind in the process. Anyway, I'll be going to the mall. Would you like to join me?
Well, I would have loved to, but my brother's not going to like that.
Of course, I know he's going to hate it. Let's go. Go get dressed.
Oh. Okay. Go get dressed.
I'm starting to think Crystal's found out about this.
What are your fears?
If my suspicions are correct, she might try to poison my sister's mind further. And who knows, she might be up to something extremely fishy.
Are you saying you don't trust her?
As we speak, I don't even know what that woman is up to. And the scary part is that my sister now sees things from her POV.
But there has to be a way to talk your sister out of the dogma.
I don't want to create enmity between them.
But you said you don't want anybody to turn your sister against you.
I also hate it when they were not on speaking terms. Listen, I can handle Crystal, it's fine. Yeah.
What do you really want?
Is it possible you focus on your court cases?
Mr. Phil, when you told me your family issue was paramount.
Yeah.
Hey!
Sure.
What a pleasant surprise.
Hello,
Yeah.
Hey.
Bye.
So good to see you. How are you?
Welcome, I'm fine.
So, what's going on?
If my brother is back, then I'm probably just...
Well, thank God he's not.
Oh, thank God.
Because if he was, he would have crucified us.
Yeah, thank you so much, Auntie Crystal.
You're welcome.
Yeah. So one more thing. Please could you help me with some data? I'm out of data.
Okay, data. All right, here. Help yourself.
Thank you.
Let me get this in the kitchen.
All right.
Remember the password, right?
Let me see. Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
So tell me, what did you say to him that made him change his mind?
Nothing. I decided not to be pushy about it. I just want us to go at his pace. And I also want him to gain from both situations.
Oh, you're willing to do that for him?
I can do anything for you, my dear sister. And besides, from all that you have told me, I'm convinced that Phil is a good man.
Yes.
Just that he has been through many ordeals of life.
You're right about that. And thank you so much. Thank you for everything.
I'm just going to look for a way to make sure that he gains on both situations.
Auntie Crystal,
Yes?
why are you taking pictures of them? Do you know them?
No, I don't.
What? Right. Auntie Crystal,
What's going on?
no, the question should be, how long has this been going on?
How long has what been going on?
No, don't pretend, because all your secrets are out. How long has this been going on?
What secret are you talking about? So I give you my phone and you're going through my phone?
Is this why you've been having problems with my brother? Because of a guy my age or slightly above my age? Oh, wait, I remember him. Yeah, I do. You said it was nothing when I asked you why you were taking photos of him and the lady he was with. So you're cheating on my brother with him.
No, I'm not. Just give me back my phone.
So
I gave
you're
you my
into
phone.
small boys? You are.
Is something wrong with you? Kimberly, I give you my phone to send data to your phone, and you're what? Invading my privacy?
No, that's not the point. The point is, you're cheating on my brother with a guy old enough to be your younger brother. How do you think he will feel when he discovers this?
You stop and give me back my phone. What's wrong with you?
I will not give you the phone. You're shamelessly cheating on my brother with look. Listen, Kimberly, I'm trying to say a word. If you do, I promise I'm going to kill you.
Hey, what's going on?
What? What do you mean?
I'm not that. I heard voices. What is it?
You heard nothing. Nothing is going on. Of course you heard voices. Loud voices. Don't. Do you know that your honorable best friend is cheating on my brother?
Young lady, you will not talk about that.
I will not speak to her in that tone. Auntie Maureen, you have to listen to me and understand that your friend has been cheating on my brother with a small boy. What's this boy? Let me try my small boy.
I'm going to skin you, I promise you.
What? Crystal, you've been sleeping with Jay? You are freaking sleeping with my boyfriend?
Why? What should I do?
Hi,
What's going on? Jay, you have been sleeping with my friend.
what's going on? I don't understand. What are you talking?
Seriously, Jay, you have been sleeping with a married woman, which happens to be my friend.
What are you talking about? What's
Wife,
going?
don't lie. Don't lie because your secret is out.
What are you talking? What's going on? What's
going on to
going
your
on?
own voice?
Oh my
Do you by any chance know this
Can't
lady?
believe my eyes.
No, I don't. I swear, I've never seen her. Who is this? I don't know her. What do you mean?
Jay, you don't know Krista.
Chris who? I don't know.
Krista.
What is she talking?
Why will I?
Chris who? I don't know who that is.
Jay! Jay! Answer.
Hi.
circumstances. I was searching for an important document, which I desperately needed for an important presentation. I searched literally everywhere, but the document was nowhere to be found. And then, all of a sudden, one more place came to my mind, the pigeonhole of the car. I knew I never had the documents in that aspect of the house. But to satisfy my curiosity, I had to. Just at the verge of quitting and going back inside, I stumbled on the unbelievable hospital report. So what did you stumble on? Phil's medical report showed that he has stage 4 lung cancer and he only has a few years to live.
A stage 4 lung cancer?
Yes.
Babe, this is not good at all.
That's not even the breaking point for me. What really broke me is that he didn't tell me or his family about it.
Did you confront him?
No, I didn't.
So what did you do?
I got really broken and frustrated. I started to feel like I was having some kind of schizophrenia attack. I got into the car, I started driving. I was just at the point of committing suicide.
What?
But at some point, I thought about it. And I said to myself, instead of dying, maybe I should live for the people who love and care about me. And that was when Jay happened.
So how did this happen?
Jay offered me a shoulder to lean on and cry on, and one thing led to another. It developed into love. Love happened.
This doesn't look like love to me.
You don't understand.
It is less an affection than a feeling.
You don't understand what I feel for that guy.
Baby, you are a married woman.
Dying husband.
Babe, do not pitch your tent of infidelity to your husband's supposed cessation of life. Krista, do not.
It's not that simple.
Okay, look at it this way. What if Phil couldn't come to the terms that he was going to die and leave his family? Have you thought about that?
I don't know.
Krista, Phil needs you now. He needs you more than ever before. You need to be there for him. Please. I'm sorry I didn't know about this. Okay?
Thank you. That's what you said. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Brother, may we speak, please? It's important. We need to talk.
I'm not in the mood.
But it's important.
Right. I couldn't wait to get back so I could talk some sense into you.
Yeah, me too. I was waiting patiently for you to come back so we could talk. I don't know what exactly is going on, but I need you to stop.
And if I don't, what will you do? Talk to your brother about it? Now you really see.
No, you listen to me, Auntie. I'm sick and tired of all this. And it's high time you and my brother settle that problem that seems so hard for you to settle.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Maybe you should go talk to your brother. What is wrong with him that he's so ashamed of talking to his family about it?
You know what? I'm going to ask one more time. But this time, no count. What exactly is going on?
Like I said, go talk to your brother about it first. And until then, stay the heck out of my business.
No! What's important is stay away from my brother's wife.
Sorry, who did you say you were again?
I don't remember telling you my name. I'm just telling you to stay away from my brother's wife, okay?
And who is your brother's wife?
Oh, I can see. You have a beehive of them where you go and pick one every day. Congratulations to you. I don't have a business. I don't have a problem with that. My only problem is you stay away from my brother's wife. But if you claim you don't know, my brother will come for you. And when he does, you will know exactly who I'm talking about. That's if he even survives to tell the story.
I would have to stop you right there. Wait. Do you think you are? Who the hell is your brother's wife? You think you can just come in my car and you start throwing threats at me? My friend, get out of my whip.
Okay. But I'm just warning you. Beware.
My whereabouts? Look at this chucklehead. Can you imagine? Lagos. Can you imagine?
You bloody gold digger. Now listen to me, young boy. I don't want to ever see you again. Can you hear me? I don't want to ever set my eyes on you.
Babe, you don't have to sound this way. See, that lady threw herself at me. I don't have anything to do with her. I have nothing serious to do with her. Please believe me.
And how do you expect me to believe all the crap you just said now?
Babe, see, I love you. Please don't break my heart. I don't have anything to do with that lady. It's you I want. I'm so sorry. Babe, are you there? Babe.
Wow. Just wow, Jay. You know, I heard everything you said. Absolutely everything. But you know what baffles me is, what are you still doing with my friend? What are you doing with a married woman?
Babe, calm down. It's not that deep. Calm down.
I should calm down. Wow. You know what? I know what to do.
It's not that deep.
Stop.
Jay. Hello?
Listen, I know I wanted this to last, but I don't think I want to continue with this anymore. I want to pay attention to my husband.
But, babe, I thought you said you didn't have anything to do with him because he was dying.
I know I said all of that. I'm not supposed to discuss my family issues with you. My husband has stage 4 cancer and I need to pay attention to him. I don't want to continue all of this with you. And besides, you're not someone that I can trust. So I don't know if I'm making the right decision, but what I'm too sure of is that I want to pay attention to my husband. So please leave me alone and don't call me again. Where's that? I came to warn you for the last time. Stay away from my boyfriend. I don't understand. What right do you have to walk into my house and start telling me to stay away from Jay? Are you alright? For your best interest, I am warning you for the last time. Stay away from Jay. What is your problem? Focus on your married woman. What is it? I do not take advice from you, okay? And you have no right to say what you just said. I can't listen to you, so please leave my house. I should leave. Yes. I have to watch you. If I were you, I would be more focused or strive to make my marriage work. Stop the silly thing you do. Warren, leave my house.
I'll leave, but this is the last time. I will not repeat myself again. Stay away from Jane.
Warren, just get out of my house. Just get out.
So, get out!
Can you imagine? Do you see what Jay costs? Auntie Crystal, when did you find out that my brother has cancer?
What do you mean? No, don't pretend. Don't pretend because I know everything now. You knew that my brother had cancer and the best thing you thought of was to make another plan with a guy. Why?
Listen, if you have something up there, if you have some kind of mental issue, let me know and I would gladly take you to a rehab. But using that as a prerogative to say certain things to me, I won't take that. What is the matter with you?
You and my brother are the matter with me. One minute you're indulging in phone conspiracies about my brother's health. Another minute you're fighting over a man with your own best friend. What exactly is going on? What?
Listen, I don't know what you're talking about. So please just leave my sight. Okay?
I said get out!
You know what, sir? I'm going to say this now. I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared of anything. I just want to let you all know that I'm listening and watching every single thing going on in this house.
I said leave. Get out of my sight! Get out! Leave!
What's wrong with you? Huh?
How could you do this?
What? Huh?
You kept this away from her. You kept it away from me too. And yet I asked you and you said everything was fine.
What's going on?
No, you tell me. You're the one that's supposed to tell me what exactly is going on. What is going on? Tell me.
Did Crystal put you up to this? Because I don't understand.
When were you supposed to tell me that you were about to die? When? No, I found it. I found the medical report. And how could you do this? How could you do this to us? You had cancer, but you didn't tell anybody about it. You kept it away from your wife and your only sibling. What sort of a man does that? Why? Why? Why?
This is not good. This is not good.
Hey, bro.
What's going on? I just got this message now, and I think I have to go and see him.
Babe.
Jay.
What's going on with you?
I meant everything I said. I know it has been my greatest joy to spend forever with you. But that can't happen.
Is this supposed to be a goodbye?
Jay, it's just that.
Do not. Crystal, don't tell it to my face already.
Jay, this is not working. It's not working at all. I have my husband, I have my family. I need to rebuild my already wrecked home.
So, in your estimation, I'm supposed to probably start rolling on the floor, kissing your feet,
Jay,
and begging you to stay.
Jay, I'm talking about something serious, and you're what?
I am supposed to sit here, yeah, and watch you waffle Bangladesh at me, right?
Hey, please stop, okay? I'm not going to sit here and watch you speak to me in that manner, little boy.
Little boy?
Yes.
You know what? Just go. Get out.
Yes, you too, get out. Get out. What was I thinking dealing with an immature boy? For making this easy.
Let's hold on. I'm waiting for my wife. Hello, sweetheart. Please join us. So, I'd like us to know, especially members of my family, everything that's been going on. First of all, I do not have cancer. When we lost our daughter 2 years ago, things began to nosedive between Crystal and I. And just for over a year, she's been seeing somebody on the side.
You don't have cancer? I saw the medical reports.
You saw the medical reports, and that's what made you go deeper with your lover. The medical reports aside, that's no excuse.
You were diagnosed with stage 4 lung cancer. I didn't know I had to stumble on the medical reports. Do you know how that made me feel?
How exactly does that make you feel? You've been frolicking with your so-called lover before the medical diagnosis. What are you saying?
I was really broken. I was at the point of committing suicide before Jay and I happened.
Sorry, I'm not interested in how and when you met your so-called Jay, but I have one question for you. Was it the knowledge of my brother's terminal disease that made you make the plan of sending me out of this house so that you can remain here with him?
What?
Yes. What are you talking about?
Of course you do, and don't try to deny it. I told you, I already knew about all your escapades. So,
I guess I'm not the only one hiding things, huh?
Let Auntie Crystal answer.
I do not have an answer to that question.
You do. You do. I caught you several times.
Yes, I enjoy your company too. Once I succeed in sending Kimberly back to the village, we can spend more time together. And I love you too.
She wanted to send me to the village. She wanted to send me there and then stay here with her Jay for the forever they've always desired to have.
Oh, you knew about Jay?
Of course I did. I followed her on some occasions. I saw them together. And I always knew it whenever he called her. So I knew.
Take this from me. Everything I did it out of frustration.
Why are you lying, Crystal? Why are you lying? Why is there no iota of truth in you? You were frolicking with your lover before stumbling on the medical report, so why are you lying? That wasn't the first thing I saw her. Elvis spoke to his friend who's a medical doctor to fake a report, stating I was down with a terminal disease.
And the day she found the report, this was where she went.
Huh?
What did she say?
She said that she left home that day to jump off the bridge when she stumbled on the medical about Phil dying. That's what she said.
That's a lie.
What?
So she came to see me,
Uh-huh.
and yes, we were together that day. And then we started making plans of what we're gonna do if Pio dies.
What plans? Phil, please. Phil, I'm really sorry. Please, I beg you. I know you hate me right now. I know what I did was wrong. But please, I'm begging you. I'm really sorry. Please. Please just find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please. Please. Please, I can't live without you. Please.
On the contrary, I hold nothing against you. But just like Barrister Elvis said, the only way to test how genuine a woman is when her husband is down. Now I know, I guess. I don't want to see you when I get back downstairs.
Not so fast, Mr. Phil. You have a guest.
Oh.
You see, Mr. Justice and I have been in communication, and I show him all he stands to lose if you decide to go to court. You see, I have a good news for you, Mr. Phil. All that is entitled to you has just been released. Every of your benefits. I just need you to sign this. These are the documents. It's your signature. Yeah. Right there. All right.
Oh my God, brother, you did it. I knew you were going to do it.
I didn't actually do this alone. Krista here actually helped me all the way. She was the one who found the document the chief signed before he died. And in the document, it states that Phil should be the CEO after he dies.
But Barrister, I thought you said we couldn't find the document.
Your wife here found the document and she confided in me. She never planned to run away. Please find a place in your heart to forgive her.
Please, I'm begging you. I am really sorry. I know I stepped out of line. I know I did what I wasn't supposed to do as a wife. I don't know what got over me, but I'm begging you. If you can give me another chance, if you can give me a second chance, I promise you that I will do better, I will do right by you. I'll be everything you want me to be, and I will never do this again. I don't know. Please, please, Phil, please, my husband, I'm begging you. Please forgive me. Forgive me, please. I'm really sorry from the depth of my heart. Please, Kimberly, help me beg your brother. You're everything I have. You're all that I have.
Please forgive her. Please find a place in your heart to forgive her.